Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to run messenger ads with Octane AI. Now, first step, you need to create a campaign with the messages objective. In Facebook Ads Manager, select the messages objective to start a campaign focused on initiating conversations. Step 2, set up your ad. Design your ad creative and copy, making sure to include a clear call to action that encourages people to message you. Now, step 3, choose your audience. Target your desired audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Step number 4, select your placements. Choose where you want your ad to appear, including Facebook feeds, Messenger inbox, and Messenger stories. And lastly, connect your chatbot if it is applicable. If you have a chatbot set up, connect it to your ad to automate responses and guide users through the conversation. That's it. Thanks for watching.